Good morning. Let us start one of the beautiful chapters of costing called overhead variances under standard costing. Normally, people consider it as most complicated, but for all the cap sites, it is going to be the easiest chapter after you listen to this. Or anyone who is listening to this topic, let me make it killer. The reason why it becomes complicated is we don't go for the conceptual clarity. Because we don't have a conceptual clarity, we obviously have some problems. So there are some distinguishing features of overhead variances, especially fixed overhead, compared to the other variances. As I discussed in the previous class, fixed overheads remain fixed in total, but varies per unit. I repeat,
Units.
fixed overheads
Fixed
remain
in
fixed in total, but varies per unit.
units.
Standard costing is a per unit topic. Standard costing is a per unit
Unit.
topic. Since it is a per unit topic, so since it varies, the formula also varies. Formula also varies. So when you talk about the fixed overhead variances, we need to understand that the formulae are not similar to that of material variances. I hope all of you are able to understand.
Yes, sir.
All of you are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now, before we get into fixed overhead, let us also touch little bit about variable overhead also, because both are coming under overhead variances. Both are coming under what? Overhead variance. Okay. Now, if you ask me, don't ask me. These variances are nothing but altered version of absorption costing. Somewhere in your introduction chapter, you would have learned cost sheet, absorption costing, etc. What you call it as a over absorption or under absorption in absorption costing is called variance here. There probably I would have done it on a total basis, whereas standard costing is always on a per unit
Per
basis.
unit
Always
basis.
on a per unit basis. So let us just understand what do you mean by overhead absorption. Let's take a simple example and understand. Rent of the building 100 lakh. How much is the rent of the building?
100 lakh.
Budgeted production 1 lakh. How much is the budgeted production?
1 lakh. 1 lakh.
So what is the overhead recovery rate or overhead absorption rate? 100 lakh divided by 1 lakh. Budgeted by budgeted, we used to call it the absorption rate there. I call it as a standard cost here. So remember, my dear friend, budgeted by budgeted is equal to standard. What is that? This is simple. So first point to remember, budgeted by budget is equal to
Standard.
budgeted by budget is equal to
Standard.
because in budgeted we call in terms of total, standard we call in terms of
Per unit.
per unit. So budgeted fixed overhead 100 lakh divided by budgeted capacity or normal capacity 1 lakh is equal to standard overhead per unit rupees 100. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
So this one, depending upon the production, assuming your actual production is say 80,000, you say 80,000 into 100 is the absorbed overhead. Or if the actual production is 1,40,000, 1,40,000 into 100, based on your production, you absorb to the cost, charge to the cost. That is what is called absorbed overhead. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
I
sir.
repeat this point. At the first instance, especially with regard to fixed overhead, we go by overhead recovery or overhead absorption. What is the meaning of overhead absorption? Whatever the total overheads you have, divided by the total expected units. In the specific term, budgeted overhead divided by budgeted units is equal to standard.
Standard.
Absorption rate, what we generally call it as. Now, let us take an example. I'm repeating the example. Budgeted overhead is 100 lakh, rent of the building. We expected production of 1 lakh, budgeted capacity. Budgeted capacity is not equal to installed capacity. Installed capacity may be much higher. Depending upon the requirement, I plan and say the total capacity will be 1 lakh. So, budgeted fixed overhead 100 lakh divided by budgeted units 1 lakh is equal to standard fixed overhead per unit rupees 100. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is what we are going to take it further in standard costing. Under absorption costing, what we do, overhead rate is fixed. We have taken it 100 rupees per unit. Now, depending upon the number of units manufactured, case number one, If you manufacture 80,000 units, the overheads absorbed will be 80,000 into 100. 80,000 into
100.
100, it will be 80 lakh. Your actual fixed overhead or budget fixed overhead is 100 lakh, but what you absorb is only 80 lakh. You absorb lesser,
Yes.
which we call it as a under absorption costing. Example number 2, your budgeted production is 1 lakh, but actually if you manufacture 1 lakh 20,000, you do 1 lakh 20,000 into 100. You are absorbing based on your actual production. 1 lakh 20,000 into 100, it will become 120 lakh. Even though your fixed overhead is only 100 lakh, you are charging more, you are absorbing more. That's why it's called over absorption or overcharge or over recovery or over estimation. So you are charging more than that. So whenever the absorption is more than the actual, that is called over absorption. Whenever the absorption is lesser, it is called under absorption. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
All of you are understanding? Fine. Now, what we call it as a over absorption or under absorption in absorption costing, my dear friend, I'm going to give a new name called variance as far as standard costing is concerned, because under standard costing, we are going to apply per unit concept, not on a total basis. Shall we continue?
Yes, sir.
So now, just to recall what we discussed, let us start with the budgeted profit minus actual profit. The difference is the variance in profit. The profit variance has two major reasons. Either it's because of the cost or because of the revenue. Last class what we discussed. So under cost we had three RMRs: material, labor, and overheads. I repeat, material, labor, and overheads. Under overheads we have two RMRs: variable overhead and a fixed overhead. Under sales there are two approaches. Not, they are not two methods, two approaches: sales turnover or sales margin. Now under cost variance, let us come back. Material we discuss, labor we discuss. Under overhead, two RMRs. Which are they?
Fixed over.
Variable overhead and fixed overhead.
Very.
I said out of all the variances, fixed overhead thoda alag sa. It is little hatike. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ different ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? Because all other items, direct material, cloth in a shirt, one shirt 2 meter, two shirt 4 meter, five shirt 10 meter. It proportionately changes in total, but per unit remains the same. Next, stitching charges. One shirt 200, two shirt 400, three shirt 600. Proportionately changes, but labor cost per unit remains same. Same as selling price. One shirt 300, two shirts 600, three shirts 900. Proportionately changes, per unit remains same. Similarly, it is a sales margin. Similarly, it is variable overhead. So all direct material, direct labor, variable overhead, sales value, sales margin, formula are absolutely same. Only fixed overhead formula are different, which we are going to discuss today. So to start with, there are some special points to be noted as far as overheads are concerned. Write down, all of you. No doubt it is also there in the printed material, but it's better when you write and understand. That's the best way. Start. Overhead variances. Overhead variances. Keep writing point wise. Number one. The aggregate of all indirect costs. The aggregate of all indirect costs. COSTS. Don't write CAUSE. Indirect costs, COSTS, leads to overheads. Overheads slash, it is also called on cost. Factory overhead or factory on cost. Something on the overhead, not over the head. Sometimes it goes over the head, no? The classes, no, not that way. So on cost bar what? Overheads. Point number two. Overheads are normally charged. Overheads are normally charged to the product based on certain predetermined criteria. Based on certain predetermined criteria. Say unit based, machine hour rate based, DLH, direct labor hour based, percentage of prime cost, etc. Point number 3. Done till now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Point number 3. Any overhead which is charged more than or lesser than the actual, any overhead which is charged more than or lesser than the actual lead to
Over absorption and
over bar under absorption of overhead. Leads to over slash under absorption, leads to over slash under absorption of overheads. Below that only, same point, below that. Example, budgeted bar actual fixed overhead. As of now, we are taking same, only for absorption costing. Budgeted overhead, and normally rent of a building, if you have taken a rent a building on a rent for 11 months or 12 months or 24 months, once you decide it's fixed, that's it. Even next year, if there's increment, that is also taken care. Why it will differ? But when it comes to standard costing, I'll tell you why it may differ. As of now, from absorption point of view, normally, I said normally, she's my girlfriend, okay. Normally, she's my wife is not okay. I hope you are understanding. You have to be very specific with the words used. Normally, she's my girlfriend, okay. Semester scheme, chalta hai. Normally, she's my wife on the Odita hai. That is dangerous point. She is always my wife. Girlfriend may change. Let us not get into that discussion. So here, I'm saying normally, Kirti, what? Fixed overhead will remain same. So budgeted bar actual fixed overhead is equal to 100 lakh. Budgeted production is equal to 1 lakh. Therefore, absorption rate, what you call it as absorption rate in absorption costing. Look at the beauty. You should connect the topic. That's the beauty of caps. If you keep on connecting, everything will become chiller. Everything will become chiller. Absorption rate bar standard fixed overhead, because I'm talking about rent here. Standard fixed overhead per unit is equal to, Sudiksha, you know,
budgeted or
excellent.
budgeted or fixed
Budgeted.
overhead.
First, use the very basic language. Budgeted by budgeted. Then what is budgeted? Budgeted.
Overhead by
budgeted fixed overhead divided by budgeted units. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Budgeted fixed overhead divided by budgeted units is equal to 100 lakh divided by 1 lakh. Is equal to 100 lakh divided by 1 lakh. Is equal to rupees 100. Look at the beauty of this topic now. 100. Now, under that, two big arrow marks. Chartered accountants, caps will learn everything with charts. Tane will become the chart accountant. Yo, Mahati. Yes. You people have a different smile today. I know that. Even I have a different smile. I also know that. Thank you. So, left side. What? If left side, case 1. Spelling correct barri. Keep it short and simple. Allah. CASE. Yeah. Case 1. Actual production 80,000 units. Actual production 80,000 units. Below that, under absorption costing. I'm talking about absorption costing. Under absorption costing, fixed overhead absorbed. Absorption is always based on actual. Standard is always based on actual. Correct? You remember that? Absorbed fixed overhead is equal to 80,000 units into rupees 100. Do you require calculator? Use the brain. God has given beautiful brain inside. Let us use the chip. Otherwise, they will at the end they will write a comment. Parcel returned unopened. We don't want that. It should be used. Use this. When you use more and more, it gets appreciated. Unlike all other depreciable assets. Correct, no? Kirti, Chapandi. Okay, yo. Yeah. So is equal to 80 lakh. 80 lakh. Next below that, but actual fixed overhead 100 lakh. But actual fixed overhead 100 lakh. So now look, don't get confused. Unwantedly, let us not get confused. You students always have the confusion. One look at that girl also, this girl also, full confusion. Look, one thing at a time. One thing at a time. Now we are talking about absorption. You have to be loyal to the absorption. Absorption is lesser under absorption. Absorption is more, it is called over absorption. Do you want a confusing statement? I will tell you, student point of view. If actual is more than the absorbed overhead, more under absorption. Because you're looking from actual angle. Don't look at from actual angle. Look from only absorption angle. Understanding? Don't get confused. The previous statement was just confusion. Creation. Left side. Below that. Absorbed overhead is lesser. Lesser or more? Mahati. Absorbed overhead is lesser. Hence, it is Rakshita, under absorption.
Under absorption.
Correct. Under absorption. Right side, case 2, completely right side, case 2. Actual output, Sandhya, how much it will be? Lesser than 1 lakh or more than 1 lakh?
More than 1 lakh.
Yeah. Actual output, say 1,50,000 units. 1,50,000 units. Below that, absorbed overhead. How much, Sandhya?
1,50,000 units into 100.
That's it. Absorbed overhead is equal to 1,50,000 units into 100
100.
150 lakhs.
is equal to Akhilesh 150 lakh. 1,50,000 into 100 is equal to how much, Akhilesh? 150 lakh. Below that, but actual fixed overhead
100 lakh.
100
equal to
lakhs.
100 lakh. That will not change. Why it will change? Yeah, tat tarike. Actual fixed overhead 100 lakh. Below that,
Absorb.
everything you talk from absorption angle. You have to be loyal to the topic what you are learning. So absorption. No sir, I want to see from actual and I want to get confused. I can't help it. So after becoming CA, you can be confused accountant. CA. See, our CA gives a degree. Moment you are a CA, you are called ACA. What is ACA? Ada confused accountant. Or half confused. Arda confused accountant. 5 years they will give you. After 5 years, you will become expert in that. Then you will be called FCA, fully confused accountant. Okay, continue. So that is actually associate CA and fellowship. Fellowship means fellow chartered accountant. One year. Right side. Absorbed overhead is greater than actual.
Actual.
Hence, it is
Over
over
absorption.
Over absorption.
Now connect left with the right. Connect left with the right and right. The same expression per unit is called variance under standard costing. Here you have done it on a total basis. There I'm going to do it on a per unit basis.
Per unit.
Same expression. Look at the beauty of connection. Enjoying?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Same expression per unit under standard costing is called
Variance.
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 Favorable adverse we'll see later. Favorable adverse we'll see later. Understood that point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Below that only, same point. Below that you read. Absorbed is equal to. These are all the synonyms. Absorbed is equal to. Charge. Is equal to. Absorbed is equal to. Charge is equal to. Recovered is equal to. Estimated. This may be loose word. That's okay. Estimated is equal to applied. Is equal to applied. So tomorrow if I say over recovery, what does it mean, Sandhya? Over recovery is equal to?
Over absorption. Over absorption.
Over applied is equal to? Over absorption.
Over
It's
absorption.
Over absorption.
But absolutely fine. I hope you are understanding.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. So that is connection what I gave. So make a box for that. In the green ink, make a box. Use multiple colors. Education is that beauty when you have multiple color attraction. Next, point number 4, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Point number 4. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, wait. Before you write. Now the same thing what you have in your mind. My dear friends, absorption is based on the actual production. Am I right? Same thing we are going to discuss under stand costing in a per unit basis. Right on, point number 4. Very important. You write in a green ink. All of you write in a green ink, those who have. Absorbed overhead is based on actual output. Actual output. Red ink. Next slide. Standard cost is also based on actual output. Correct, no?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Standard cost is also based on actual output. Therefore, alternative approach, it is like who is Rama? If I ask, someone will say Sita's husband, someone will say Dasharatha's son, someone will say Kausalya's son. And today is the day I think
Ayodhya's king.
Ayodhya, I think there is a what puja, Bhumi puja happening, I think. Okay,
Bhumi.
we are referring
Yes,
to
sir.
Rama also. Okay. Anyhow, Rama, Allah, Jesus, all are same, no difference, but still. Now moving on. What that, Mahati or Sandhya, what have you written?
Therefore, alternative
Therefore,
standard cost is also based on actual
alternative approach,
output.
alternative approach of overbar under absorption Please remember over absorption under absorption only for overhead chapter, not for material, etc. Overbar under absorption of overheads. Alternative approach for overbar under absorption of overheads.
Overhead.
Under absorption costing is called, after called as you should not write called as, it is actually wrong English.
Yes,
Called,
sir.
we normally use called as, no as, okay, is called variance analysis under stand costing.
Standard costing.
Variance analysis under stand costing. Full stop and continue. Please don't forget, same point, please don't forget to write adverse bar favorable under stand costing. Absorption costing, we don't have such concept. So please don't forget to write, don't forget, don't miss that word, don't.
Yes, sir.
Please don't forget, or don't take it, please forget what is the use. Please don't forget to
Right? Favorable or
write
adverse.
adverse bar favorable under variance analysis. Under variance analysis. Under variance analysis. Under variance analysis. Next point, very crucial point. Very crucial point. What number?
5.
5.
5. Standard is always for actual. It was the biggest mistake of the students community, where we always get confused with this. Let me clarify this with a beautiful example. Take it. Standard is always for actual. I didn't say actual output. I didn't say that. Don't write. Standard is always for actual. Full stop. It means, Mahati, it means 2 RMRs. Input can be expressed for output. Input can be expressed for output. Or right side, come to the right side.
Output can
Or
be expressed for
output can be expressed for
output.
Output can be expressed for
Actual output.
input.
Oh,
Output
yes,
can be expressed for input.
Mm.
Below this, right, from the student's perspective, right. When actual output is given, completely below that. When actual output is given, arrive at the standard input.
Yes, sir.
Next, when actual input is given, arrive at the standard output. Arrive at the standard output. Next one sentence. Standard generally means. Standard generally means single inverted commas. What should have been? What should have been? And depending upon your language comfort, you can write. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಹಿಂದಿ में क्या होने वाला था, तमिल में என்ன అవునా సంధ్యా, in Tamil, in Telugu, Mahati garu చెప్పండి. Whatever, what should have been, whatever he said. Okay, so ఏమై Mahati garu చెప్పండి.
That.
So what should have ಏನಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. So these 3 points ಗೆ box ಹಾಕಿ. Okay, great. So for 3 points you make a box. Extremely important. If you understand this at the basic level, trust me, it is a chiller. We'll see that today's class. Example 1. See, look at me. I say, look at me. One shirt, I require 2 meters. How many meters? 2 meters. So
2 meters.
if I give you actual 100 shirts, you are going to tell me what should have been the input. 100 shirt into 2
meters.
is equal to 200 meters. Am I right? That is expressing input for output. Ulta. I say one shirt requires 2 meters. I have given you 500 meters, actual meters. What should have been the shirt? What should have been the output? How much? 250. I hope you're understanding. Yeah, right. Example. Standard data. Example 1. Look at this. Example 1. You have to be crystal clear about this. Crystal clear about this. Standard data. Standard data. 2 meters for one shirt. Sit straight. You are a student. Sit straight. Inside the class, you have to be very, very alert. Keep your spine alert. It is the job of the spine to keep brain alert. Your job is to keep the spine alert. So spine will keep brain alert. Sit straight. Yeah, be straight. So what is the question? What I said? Shashikala? Example 1. Standard input output data.
Standard data 2 meters for one shirt.
Yeah. Is equal to standard data. Standard raw material 2 meters for one shirt. One shirt. Now 2 arrow marks. Always go by 2 arrow marks. Left side. Actual raw material. Actual raw material. This is the beauty. You will not find in the textbook, unfortunately, but have a clarity. Actual Kirti,
Raw material.
actual raw material consumed 400 meters. Below this, therefore standard output, input kotre output, output kotre input, no short put in between. Agreed? Yeah. Therefore standard output is equal to how much, Kirti? 400 divided by 2. 200. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next. Right side, Sharanya. Actual output. Actual output 160 units. Now what you should say? Standard input.
Standard input.
Standard
input.
Standard input is equal to
160 into 2.
160 into 2.
Into
Very
2.
good. Sharanya, 160 into 2 is equal to 320.
320.
320.
420 na?
320.
320.
320 meters. Meters per
Meters.
units. Comfortable? Example
Yes, sir.
2. Example 2. I'll go step by step approach. Example 2. Standard hours. Standard hours. How many hours? HOURS for a shirt is equal to 3. Standard hours for a shirt is equal to 3. Now 2 RMRs. Left side. Actual shirts manufactured. Actual, I think input is the left alley. Better. So actual hours. Go by left side. Actual hours. Actual hours used. Actual hours used. ಅಥವಾ taken. ಅಥವಾ worked. 900. 900. Therefore, Sharanya, standard output
Standard output.
is equal to Heli.
900
900
divided
divided by 3
Very
is
good.
equal to
Good job,
300.
Akshita. 900 divided by 3 is equal to 300 units. So easy.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Input kotre output, output kotre input. Aste. No short put in between. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Right
Yes,
side.
sir.
Right side. Actual shirts manufactured 420. Favorite number. Actual shirts manufactured. How much?
420.
420.
Therefore, standard hours.
Standard in-
What should have been the hours? Actual hours taken me more or less. That will discuss it
420
later.
into 3.
There was standard hours required is equal to 420 into 3. Any calculator required?
No, sir.
No,
Without
sir.
1260.
calculator, you are capable. 4 3s are 2 3s are gotalva. 1 2
1260.
As far as possible, use the brain. Calculator is exceptional cases. Some fractional amount, etc. We use it. All of you understood, my dear friends?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Look at the next example, beauty. Number 3, example 3. Budgeted working days in a month. Budgeted working days in a month. Slightly next level example. Budgeted working days in a month. 20. It is actually normally 26. For mathematical easy, I am going by 20. Not on Monday to Friday, if they are working 5 days a week, it will be 20. Sometimes it will be lesser than that also. Okay. So okay, budgeted working days in a month 20.
20.
20. Standard output per day. Standard output per day. 100 units. To keep it simple, 100 units of shirt, pant, whatever, 100 units. 2 RMRs. Left side. Actual units manufactured in the month. Manufactured in the month. $3,000. 8 minute. 3,000. How many days is it? 20, Allah?
20
20
days.
days.
Okay. Perfect. Actual units manufactured in a month is equal to how much? 3,000. Therefore, look at this language now. You have to upgrade your presentation. Therefore, standard days, DAOs for actual output.
30.
Excellent. Extraordinary. Good. All the 30 days in a month they worked. Although January they have taken 1 day off. 31 minus 1. 30. 3,000 divided by 100 is equal to how much?
30 days.
30.
30 days. I hope you are getting it.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Completely right side. Actual days worked. Actual days worked. 22. 22. Therefore, standard output. What should have been the output?
2,200.
Akshita, you are right. Perfect. Confident answer.
2,200.
Confident answer.
2,200.
ಫುಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಫುಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ಕ್ರಿಟಿಸೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು? ಫುಲ್ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್. ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಬಾಡ್ಮೆಗೆ ಟೆಲ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ರೈಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಲೇಟರ್. ಯಾ 22 days into 100 is equal to 2200. ರಕ್ಷಿತಾ ಹೇಳು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲ.
22 into 100 is equal to 2200 units.
2200 units. So, my dear friends, now you understood. Anything given to you, you will be able to express standard, whether it's for meter, liter, days, hours. Hours also they might give you. Anything they give. Input kotra, output kotra, input. I hope you understand. The
Yes,
most
sir.
important challenging work. I hope all of you are clear about it.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Point number
6.
6.
6.
5 or 6?
6, sir.
6. Okay. It is something like wife was watching the TV, cricket match going on. MS Dhoni is playing. So if you remember the World Cup last ball, okay, 2011 World Cup, and wife was watching the cricket. A very rare scenario. Husband actually wanted to go to a party. He was almost sure that India is going to win. So he dressed up in a beautiful way. He came out. So the last ball, Dhoni hit a beautiful 6. Okay. So husband asked, okay, how am I looking? So at the same time, there, okay, so Dhoni hit a 6. So she screamed, Chakanta. So I don't know for what she screamed. I don't know what you take, I don't know. So he hit a 6. Okay. 6 is what? Chakka in Hindi. Okay. And how am I looking also? He asked. I don't know. Whatever way you want to take it, you take it. I don't know. Yeah. Sometimes, what do you call the same answer for 2 questions. It is in Kannada, there is a statement. A guy actually lost his guy. Guy means cow. Guy andre Hindiyalli gotta? Cow.
Yes, sir.
And you are searching. And one more fellow came to that shop. There's a shop nearby there. Chocolate 25 paisa. 25 paisa again we say it's 4 kane ಅಥವಾ 4 kane ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ in Kannada, if you know. So
Yes, sir.
that fellow came and asked the shopkeeper, what is the cost of this chocolate? Another fellow came and asked, did you see my cow? The answer given by the shopkeeper is 4 kane. 4 kane means
ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
25
ನಾನು
paisa.
ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ.
And for those person who has lost the cow, I have not seen it. 4 kane. This is the beauty of learning multiple languages. Learn multiple languages because Japanese research says your brain will be well balanced. Learn, no problem. Kannada, Hindi, Tamil, Telugu, how much ever you want. Okay, learn. I think as of now, I know around 8 languages. Reasonably, I still have to learn a lot. Long way to go. Really, continue. So 14 minus 8, only 8 are done. Still 6 more to be added to my alphabets as far as language is concerned. Yeah, move on. Next one, Shashikala, okay? Smile, man. Smile little bit. ಯಜಮಾನ ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ವಾ? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಓಕೆ. ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರಿ, ನಗ್ನಗ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಎಂಜಾಯ್, ಕಿಲ ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. ವಾಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್? Point number 6. Yeah, fine. Overhead variances are broadly classified into see, Ganesh, can you just keep it down? There's a blackboard coming in the whiteboard. Yeah. Go little down. Broadly classified into 2 big error marks. Left side, come down, still come down. Left side, variable overheads. Come down, still come down. Variable overhead variances. Right side, fixed overhead variances. Variable overhead variances. Enough. Yeah. Right side what? Fixed overhead variances. Left side variable overhead variance. Right side what? Fixed overhead. Below variable overhead variances, within the bracket, green ink. Same like material. Same. But only up to 2-way variances. But only up to 2-way variances. 2-way means 2 level. We will not go beyond that. 2-way variances. Go up, hero, go up. The starting chart. Variable word, yeah. 2-way variances. So below that you write little up. Yeah. No, down. Yeah. variable overhead variance is equal to the point A, which is visible on the table or board, you can see, is equal to standard variable overhead for actual output. Moment I say standard, you should say what?
Actual.
Actual.
Act-
Standard variable overhead is for always what? Actual.
Actual.
Output. Standard variable overhead for actual output minus actual variable overheads. Actual variable overheads for actual output. Actual is always for actual. For actual output. Actual output. So below that, wait. Below that, within the bracket, right? Normally stop here. We will not go further. So only one way is enough. This is called one way. Normally stop here, within the bracket. Now below that, put an arrow mark like the way it's shown there, and the arrow mark side by side in red ink, you write only when hourly data, HOURLY, data is given, comma, further analyzed into 2 arrow marks. Further analyzed into what?
2 arrow marks.
2 arrow marks. So, my dear friend, normally we stop at total. However, if they give you hourly data, input-output ratio is given, then you have to go by 2 arrow marks. Left side, variable overhead expenditure variance. In material, we called it as what? Price variance. What you called as price variance there, you call it as expenditure variance. Avladha. Can we, Mahati? Left side, expenditure variance. Expenditure variance formula within the bracket.
SR minus AR.
Very good. You're right. Within the bracket, yes. Price andre within the bracket rate aste. SR minus AR into
AQ.
AQ athava actual hours. Actual quantity you can say athava actual hours paid, whatever you call. Actual hours paid. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Say quantity, units, rate, whatever given, information given. So full stop. Right side. Variable overhead efficiency variance. Same like volume. Variable overhead volume or efficiency variance. No sub efficiency here. Sandhya. Variable overhead volume or efficiency variance. Volume is what within the bracket?
Quantity or hours.
Units within the bracket, right?
Units.
Standard quantity minus actual quantity, or standard hours minus actual hours. That is more better. Within the bracket, standard hours minus actual hours into standard rate. If you know material cost variance, this is chiller. If you don't know, it will be a little difficult. Standard hours minus, you have done it, no?
Yes, sir.
Chiller, no? Easy, no? Material, etc.
Yes, sir.
Chiller. So standard hours minus actual hours into out of
Standard rate.
Standard rate. Standard rate. Below this, you write note. Complete below the left side. Note. Normally, Yarali,
Normally.
variable overheads are absorbed based on DLH. Variable overheads are absorbed based on DLH, not MDH. MDH masala. MDH ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಟಿವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. MDH ಅಂತ. You see that? Okay, so MTR ಗೊತ್ತಮ್ಮ?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ಅದೇ ತರ ಇರ್ಲಿ. Based on DLH. DLH is direct labor
Direct
hours.
hours.
ఏమండి? Direct labor hours. Full stop. Formula ಅಥವಾ full stop. Continue. Formulae. Full stop and continue. Sharan ಏನಾಯ್ತು? Formulae are same as material bar labor. Material bar labor. Semicolon. If overheads are absorbed based on DLH, comma, even hourly data, HOURLY, hourly data is same. Is same. Is same. Redding, however, the rates per hour differ. RATES, rates, use the brain, use the brain, use the brain. God has given no rate per hour differs. Example, standard hours per unit 2. 1 unit get 2 hours. Standard hours per unit 2. Standard labor rate rupees 100 per hour. Standard variable overhead rate rupees 60 per hour. Labor rate is stated in Sharanya?
100 per hour.
Variable overhead, how much I told?
60 per hour.
Please understand, rate will differ. 100 rupees greening circle, 60 rupees redding circle. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Actual output, continue. Actual output 1 lakh units. Semicolon. Actual hours 1,80,000. Full stop. Actual labor rate rupees 110 per hour, semicolon. Actual variable overhead rate rupees 50 per hour. Now look at the beauty now. I'm not going to do the what you call complete problem. We'll discuss separately. But how you can just keep something constant and what varies below that, right? Volume bar efficiency variance. I'm talking only about that. Volume bar efficiency variance is equal to, within the bracket what? Volume
Hours,
within the bracket,
units.
Yeah, within the bracket, right? Standard hours minus actual hours, close the bracket, into standard rate. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now 2 RMRs. You have to play with the variances. That is only we can make the complicated topic easy. It's a chiller topic. Left side. For labor. Now all of you within the bracket, blue ink only. Within the bracket. So look at me. Standard is always for?
Actual.
How much is actual output?
1 lakh.
1 lakh units into 2 hours. So within the bracket, 1 lakh units into 2 hours. That is the standard hours. Am I conveying properly?
Yes, sir.
1 lakh units into 2 hours minus actual hours, sister. 1 lakh
80,000.
Correct. 1,80,000 into green ink. What is standard rate of labor?
100 per hour.
100 into 100 green ink. Have this beautiful color combination. So now again you write is equal to, within the bracket, blue ink, 2 lakh hours minus 1,80,000 hours, close the bracket, into green ink rupees 100.
100.
Understanding?
Yes, sir.
So 20,000 into 100. Correct?
Yes, sir.
20,000 hours into rupees 100. How much you get?
20 lakhs.
20 lakh. Happy or unhappy? Sandhya. Happy or unhappy, Sandhya? You are
Unhappy.
supposed to take 2 lakh hours. Within the bracket. See, only within the bracket. Don't see outside. Within the bracket. How many hours you are supposed to take?
2 lakh hours.
How many hours you have taken?
1,80,000. Happy.
1,80,000. Yashaswini, very good. So you are happy or unhappy?
Happy.
You take a less number of hours. You think as a manufacturing company, don't think as a labor. Sir, less number of hours I worked at. Look from a company's angle. 2 lakh hours you should have taken, but you have taken only 1,80,000. Are you not happy?
Yes, sir.
So how much you got? 20 lakh.
20 lakh.
Within the bracket, F. F
Yes,
means favorable.
favorable.
Now right side, beauty, complete right side. Are you writing the chart properly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. For variable overhead, I'm looking only at volume variance. Only volume variance. I hope all of you are enjoying. Great. Thank you, Kirti Mahati. For variable overhead is equal to, again start within the bracket. Don't do anything within the bracket. Blue ink. Square bracket ali 2 lakh hours minus 1,80,000 hours. That is same. Please understand that is same. Within the bracket. 2 lakh hours minus 1,80,000 hours. Bracket. Close the bracket. Into red ink ali rupees. Shashikala.
60.
60 is equal to repetition is equal to repeat 20,000 hours. 20,000 hours saved. Adu bekara language. Labor cost it is called saved. All say row 1 plan, all say where plan. Gotta nimge? So 50%, 1/3. Same thing. What you call in labor cost, I'm talking in standard costing. Aste. So 20,000 hours into rupees 60, 12 lakh.
Favorable.
Calculator Shashikala adake ಬೇಡಲ್ವಾ 2 6 ಇಲ್ಲ 6 2 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು 12 lakh. Favorable or adverse?
Favorable.
Favorable. Within the bracket is always favorable. Favorable. So now look at the beauty, my dear friends. First point is overhead is concerned. Variable overhead same like material or labor. Total formula same. Normally full stop there. However, they give you input output ratio in terms of number of hours, machine hours, labor hours, etc. Then you can go by subvariance. Otherwise, only one variance. So left side is expenditure variance, ditto price variance or rate variance. Within the bracket, price, outer column, actual hours paid. So right side, when it comes to the what is that efficiency variance, within the bracket hours, outer column rate, standard rate. What standard rate? So and normally, since overheads are absorbed based on labor hours, quantity data is same. Sir, it is not given separately. Don't budco. It is already given. So hours only outer columns 100 or 60 ought to change. As simple as that. So beautiful.
Yes, sir.
So simple. Full stop. And
Yes,
no further discussion. Sir, below expanding volume variance, nothing. Left side also the big bindi. Right side also big bindi. Full stop. No further discussion. Comfortable about it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now the beauty, the most important beauty, which I am waiting for. Okay. So, Sri Ganesh, next chart, next notes, not this. And no. Yeah. Yeah, beauty. Now all of you look at me. Now we'll go by maths. I'll go by maths. Beautiful. People say it is tough, but we'll make it simple. Only thing is you need to have an information about what is standard, what is actual. That knowledge you reasonably have now. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So now completely right side, left side you written variable overhead. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Right, complete right side fixed overhead you write, but write it as a separate point because it will become mess otherwise. Complete right side of the chart. Roman number 2, fixed overhead variances. Fixed overhead variances. What we have done this in the material earlier was material, if I call it as A, labor is B, variable overhead is C, fixed overhead is D. If you see the chart here, you consider D everywhere, then because it is a fixed overhead. But anyway, you people don't go by normal presentation, no problem. So fixed overhead variances within the bracket, note below. Next point. Next point number. What is point number? 7 or 8?
7.
7. Fixed overhead variances. Within the bracket rating, formulae reasonably different from other cost variances. Other cost variances. Now you are at home only, most of you use a non-plastic item. So use maybe steel item or whatever, glass Don't use plastic. And if it is your own bottle, touch and drink, sit and drink, because the research says if you stand and drink or if you drink like this, you will get a knee pain. Knee pain. So avoid the knee pain in the long run. Suggest your parents, family members also. If it's your own bottle, others' bottle means don't touch. Your own bottle means touch and drink. That's how you're supposed to drink the water, and slowly you drink. So right side. So now fixed word variance. Ready? These are very
Yes,
different.
sir.
Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is there in the board. You can copy from there, and I'll keep telling. Keep on reading. Total fixed word variance is equal to. Total fixed word variance is equal to standard fixed overhead for actual output. Standard fixed overhead for actual output minus actual fixed overhead for actual output. You are able to see the board?
Yes, sir.
Within the bracket, in a normal ink, one more ink, blue if you are using, black color, within the bracket. Same like MCV. There is no change. First of all, adike, I didn't say it's a completely different. Completely different alla. Reasonably different.
Reasonably different.
Beauty?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, two big arrow marks. Go by chart approach, chart approach. C Institute Material also is following chart approach now. I'm so thankful to the C Institute or Mother Institute. Left side, you give a different donation. Don't go by this side. Left side, capital, sorry, go by P. P and some notation. If you are comfortable with D1, D2 also, you can write. I don't have problem. Okay. So material should be A, labor should be B, variable load is C. Now this is D. So if you want, I'll go by this presentation only if you want. Or P and whatever you want. What do you want to write? PQ or
P.
D? Huh?
PQ.
Ah,
PQ.
PQ. Okay, right. New edible language. So left side P. All of you look at me. Hi. Use red ink. Left side. Expenditure variance is equal to budgeted fixed overhead minus actual fixed overhead. Budgeted fixed overhead minus actual fixed overhead. Budgeted fixed overhead minus actual fixed overhead. Make a box again in red ink only. Box. You know why I made this box? This is not like price variance. Which is the bracket price? You have to go by this formula only. On the best part, 1 mark you can straight away take it. Both the information are available in the question. Budget fixed overhead will be given, actual fixed overhead. Expenditure variance, you don't have to do any calculation. Question budget fixed overhead will be given, actual. 1 mark at least you can get it.
Yes, sir.
So simple. Try to pocket the marks. So below that you write in a different normal blue or black. Below that, both information are normally given in the question. You don't have to do any calculation, no presentation, no representation, nothing. No misrepresentation, misrepresentation, nothing. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Be focused in important discussion. Many people struggle for fixed overhead. I'll make it chiller. And if I say something, I'll make it. Yeah. That's a standard of the standard topic I will only take because I love to take. I enjoy teaching that. So it will be given in the question and you have to by heart this formula. Make important mark. Right side. Completely right side. Q. So below, 1 second. Below P, red bindi, full stop. After expenditure, no continuation. Continuation ledu. Full stop. Right side. Big one. Don't write any other name. Volume variance. Q. Volume bar quantity. If you don't write. Whatever I say, you write. Volume variance. Below that, in green ink, you write 2 alternative approaches. It is there in the board. You can see the board and copy. It is not that I will not have told you to write later, but it is better you write and read, especially this topic. Be with the flow. 2 alternative approaches. We never had this earlier. We had only here we are having 2 approaches. 2 alternative approaches. So under that, drag it little down, 2 big arrow mark. two big arrow marks. Left side, unit based. Unit based, repeat, unit based. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಯೂನಿಟ್ ಬೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರೀ ರಿಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವಿ ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ವೇರಿಯನ್ಸ್ is equal to within the bracket BQ minus AQ into SR. You can keep SR at the beginning or at the end, doesn't matter. Understood, my dear friends?
Yes, sir.
Now, Sharanya, I'll ask you a question. 10 minus 6, what is the answer?
4.
Kelsila,
4.
you're confident again. You ensure that everybody at home is awake. How much?
4, sir.
4. Now I'll ask you a question. Be careful. 10 minus 8 plus 8 minus 6. Whether the answer differs?
No, sir.
Are you sure about it?
Yes, sir.
Be confident.
Yes, sir.
Yes. 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 Start. Now below that, look at the box there, what I've done. Same way, right? By adding and deducting, it's there on the board, you can copy. But write neatly by plus minus better. By adding and deducting SQ, we get all of you put a square bracket, square bracket, square bracket, square bracket olage, right? BQ minus SQ, Shashikala, understanding? Plus SQ minus AQ. Close the square bracket into SR. SR you can put at the beginning or end, doesn't matter. चाकू तरबूजे में गिरता है और तरबूजे चाकू में गिरता है नुकसान तरबूजा के होता है one of the movie dialogue ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ so BQ minus SQ plus SQ minus AQ into SR. Now BQ minus SQ put one small bracket, then SQ minus AQ you put one more small bracket within that square bracket. Any confusion?
No, sir.
Any confusion? Are you able to understand? So
Yes, sir.
look at the beauty now. Unit based, you start with the BQ minus AQ. Normally, difference, budgeted minus actual. Budgeted minus that. And I'll tell you little later, you remind me the next pointer. Only standard costing, we have 3 terms. Budgeted, standard and actual. Whereas all other cases, either standard and actual or budgeted and actual. Here all the 3 we have. I'll show you that little later. I was waiting for the chart. Am I fast?
No, sir.
Are you able to understand? Am I fast?
Yes, sir.
Your answer is coming. First question answer is second time barta ide because of the lagging maybe. Okay. Then I'll ask you now. Am I fast?
No, sir.
Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Because first question answer and second question answer getting interesting. Yeah, fair enough. So now look at this. Volume base, we start with BQ minus AQ. You have to start, which is the bracket quantity. And outer column is always SR. Volume variance, any volume variance, whether the material, labor, overhead, whatever, outer column is SR. Okay, Shashikala? Into SR, within the bracket what? BQ minus AQ. Now, BQ, AQ agoitu. Then what is left out? Only item left out is SQ. Add and deduct SQ. So BQ minus SQ. Now come down. Second, little down. Yeah. So below the left side, P1. Now you write P1. Sorry, Q1. Capacity variance. Capacity variance. Beautifully done. Capacity variance. Right side Q2. Efficiency variance. Or D2, whatever you want to write. Efficiency variance. Now those 2 items within the bracket है ना उधर, उसको निकालो. Left side capacity variance. BQ minus SQ into SR. Right side SQ minus AQ into SR. Have you done anything great job?
No, sir.
It's pure maths. Whatever is outer column, we can take it out, and within the bracket, take it out. BQ minus SQ. All of you look at the board. Keep the cursor there, Mr. Ganesh. BQ minus SQ. Okay, take it to the left side. Okay, SQ minus AQ. Mele, little up. Yeah. So BQ minus SQ to the left side, SQ minus AQ to the right side. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
Sir, now I'll have a confusion. What is this new word you used? That you don't worry. Capacity variance. I expected 4 machines to work in this particular month, but 1 machine broke down. Only 3 machines worked during the last week. capacity of the production has changed, or I expected you to work single shift, but you work double shift, capacity has been increased. So the difference in that is called capacity variance. Next, efficiency. I expected you to manufacture 2 shirts per day, stitch 2 shirts per day. You stitched 4 shirts per day. Your efficiency is more. That is called efficiency. Both leads to change in the quantity. That's why it is the subvariance of volume variance. One machine extra you work, volume increases. Instead of working for single shift, you work for double shift, volume increases. Capacity related. Instead of manufacturing 1 shirt for 4 hours, you are manufacturing 2 shirts for 4 hours. Your efficiency increase, that also increases the volume. That's why they are called volume variance. Next again, sir, I have confusion. First, left side capacity likhna hai, efficiency likhna hai. Go by alphabetical order. C comes first or E comes first?
C.
English dictionary, which comes first?
C.
Now, do you think you can forget so easily?
No,
If
sir.
you still have to forget, you have to put the extra effort.
Sir,
to forget. I
voice
can't.
break up.
Add and deduct, yes. Okay. BQ minus AQ. Are you able to hear?
Yes, sir.
BQ minus, sometimes network issues will be there. We'll take care. No worry. BQ minus AQ. Start with that. Add and deduct SQ. So beautiful. You're able to
Yes,
hear?
sir.
Ishkala. Yeah. BQ minus SQ plus SQ minus EQ. Left hand side is capacity, right side is efficiency.
Yes.
So how to remember? Alphabetical order. C comes first, E comes next. So easy.
Yes, sir.
Full stop. Now look at that beauty. Adu black color hakavada. Efficiency variance ಕೆಳಗೆ red ink ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಂದಿ ಬಿಂದಿ ಸಮೇತ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ. ಅದು black sometimes ಹಾಕೋತಾರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾ. ಕಾಲಾ ಟಿಕ್ಕಾ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾ. ನಜರ್ನ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ. ಕಿಡ್ಸ್ ನೋ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕೋದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ. ಯಾ. Full stop. Now coming to the left side. Left side. Look at the beauty now. Further. Please strictly go by this approach. Any question on the sky, you'll do it. Only mistake you do is you don't understand or interpret to standard and actual. That I've already given the note. Standard and actual interpretation, if you do it, any question on the sky, cake walk. Yeah, otherwise, eat the cake and walk. Inside the house only now. Yeah. Now, below the left side, below the capacity variance, in a different ink, blue under black, black other blue. When further calendar information is available, when further calendar information is available, add and deduct RBQ, barbecue nation alla, RBQ, that's the revised budgeted quantity, comma, we get, I am getting, I hope you are also getting.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yeah, we get. So now, akkada chudu, left side mein, enna irukka? BQ minus SQ. Enide?
BQ.
minus. Adra middle tirisbekige. Eno?
RBQ.
Add RBQ minus RBQ. Avlada. That's it. BQ, all of you start square bracket. BQ minus RBQ plus RBQ minus SQ. BQ minus RBQ plus RBQ minus SQ, close the bracket, into SR. What, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Beauty, enjoying Sharanya?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Dhanush, maja marta idena? So BQ minus RBQ plus RBQ minus SQ into SR. Now, adanna put 2 arrow marks. Left side, calendar variance. So topally Q1, Q2. So Q1 ಕೆಳಗಿಗ Q1A, Q1B. Atara bekadre. Calendar variance is equal to BQ minus RBQ into SR. BQ minus RBQ into SR. Right side, other, that other you write within the bracket. Other within the bracket, capacity variance, because you are doing a further classification of capacity. Other capacity variance is equal to RBQ minus There's a mistake there. It is not RBQ minus BSQ, RBQ minus SQ. Small printing error. You can remove that. Yeah, RBQ minus SQ into SR. Don't write RBQ minus BSQ. It is RBQ minus SQ into SR. అష్టే అయిపోయింది మాతి గారు. Okay? Yo. So, all of you look at me. Expenditure variance, Redding sorry, total variance, normal formula. Standard fixed overhead for, look at me, don't look down. Yeah. Standard fixed overhead for actual output minus actual fixed overhead for actual output. Understanding?
Yes,
Two
sir.
big arrow mark. Left side expenditure variance, Redding, special formula. Budgeted minus actual. Information available, 1 mark, straight away got it. Redding, Bindi, full stop. Right side, volume variance. For volume, difference in quantity, difference in output, there are two approaches. First approach is unit based. So next one is hours based. We are not touched. Unit based, within the bracket, quantity, budgeted quantity minus actual quantity into SR. What's that?
Yes, sir.
So for that, add and deduct BQ and AQ is over. What is next left out? SQ. So BQ and AQ. So I said there are three terms in standard fixed overhead: budgeted, standard, and actual. You have started with what? BQ and AQ.
AQ.
So in between, what you should do? Add and deduct SQ. What do we get? BQ minus SQ, we get it as a capacity variance. SQ minus AQ, you get it as efficiency variance into SR. So efficiency here is full stop. And if you get confused, I told you alphabetical connection. C comes first, then comes A, E. Capacity variance is further analyzed. If the calendar information is also given, otherwise full stop there. Don't do adhika prasanga here. Then add and deduct revised budget quantity. See, for 26 working days, I expected the output to be 26,000. But in January, if you work for 27 days, you revise your budget to 27,000 units. They're called revised budgeted quantity. For 26 days, you were expecting to work 26,000 units. For 27 days, how much you should get? 27,000. We'll work out a problem. It's a beautiful question. Every variance will be covered here. Every variance. So add and deduct, revise the budgeted quantity. So BQ minus RBQ into SR, you'll get calendar variance. And balance is called other capacity, maybe because of the machine breakdown or because of something else you have done, or the machine extra you installed. Other capacity variance. Again, C and O, alphabetical order. Calendar first, O next, alphabetical order. Samajh mein aa raha hai?
Yes, sir.
Easy.
Yes, sir.
Now, trust me, without my explanation, you are going to tell me the right side. Only one point I'll explain. Come to the right side. Little up. Complete right side. Which ink you use left side?
Blue and black.
ink? Okay, left side mainly you use what? If you use mainly use blue ink left side, right side now mainly use black ink. I repeat, left side if you use mainly blue, right side should be black. If you use black on the left side, right side you write blue. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Very important. Or middle in between unit based and hours based. Middle or there are two approaches. On the top here written hours based. HOURS. Hours based. Be in the class, be straight, be active. Yeah. Volume variance is equal to. Volume variance is equal to, within the bracket, budgeted hours minus standard hours. Actual hours ala. Budgeted hours minus standard hours. Standard hours ge red ink ali circle. Close the bracket into SR. Sir, confuse பண்ணிட்டாங்களே என்ன ஆயிச்சு இது? If you look at the left side ಏನಿದೆ ಶರಣ್ಯ ಓದಮ್ಮ?
Volume variance is equal to budgeted quantity minus actual quantity into SR.
Okay, right side, what did you write?
Volume
budgeted
variance
hours, BH, budgeted hours, BH minus what? SH into SR. So everything else is same except actual quantity has been replaced by standard. Correct?
Yes, sir.
My dear friends, I have not changed even a single bit except one alphabet. Listen, look at me. Left side and right side are absolutely same. Sir, sir, how can it be actual quantity? Standard is always for
Actual.
Standard is always for
Actual.
Aste. Left side you are writing quantity, right side you are writing standard hours for actual quantity. How can it be different? How can it be different? Understanding? This is where people are not understood the base and full mess. Go by this, my dear friend. Same. I'll prove this with with example little later. Standard is always for
Actual.
actual. That means the budgeted hours is nothing but budgeted quantity related. Standard hours is actual quantity related. How can it be different? It cannot be different. So you write budgeted hours minus standard into SR. Now listen. Common sense always prevails. Sir, there also SR, here also SR. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. There you wrote unit based. Common sense is standard rate per unit. Here you wrote hours based. It should be standard rate per hour. Per hour. Common sense prevails.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. So, anyhow, next. Below that. Now look at me. Look at me, all of you. Now you should give the answer. BH minus SH we have. So in standard costing, what are the things we use? Budgeted, standard, actual.
Actual.
We have already used BH and SH. Now what is left out?
Actual hours.
Very good. So we write full stop and continue right side. Below that, by adding and deducting AH, because on the top we are not taken AH. Easy alva?
Yes,
Actual
sir.
quantity bere, actual hours bere. One of the most standard topic and the people say. But for all my students, anybody who is listening to this, okay, it should be chiller topic from now onwards. And this is only trailer. Picture abhi baki hai. Okay, this is at intermediate level. Okay, and CA final students also can refer this basic as such. But final level, we have got amazing interpretation. I just love this topic. Yeah. So finish IPC early and come to CA final at the earliest, so that you will also love it. Yes, incentive to clear CA intermediate at earliest. Sakka thought maga topics are then CA final. Just awesome. Yeah. By adding and deducting AH, we get start a square bracket BH minus AH plus AH minus SH. I hope we are writing properly.
Yes, sir.
Close the square bracket into SR. Then small brackets you put for BH minus AH, AH minus SH. Understanding?
Yes, sir.
2 RMRs. Now you tell me, you only tell me. Left side, you know.
Capacity variance.
That's it. Excellent. Capacity variance. Formula.
BH minus AH into SR.
Aste, avlada. You don't require a teacher now. You are only the teacher now. I love it. BH minus AH into SR. Right side, and Shashikala. Right side,
Efficiency variance.
Efficiency variance. AH minus
SH into SR.
into AR. SR. So below efficiency variance, full stop. Next, what do you say? Come down, little Ganesh. When calendar information is additionally available, same language, same. Sharon, you only tell me. You teach me now. We like it. Yeah. Very good, Sandhya. When calendar information is additionally available, idre matra, no AP, no adhika
Yes, sir.
prasanga. Yeah.
Add and deduct revised budget hours.
Revised
Shashikala, your
budget.
AP, don't worry. Your name only Shashikala AP ansute.
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
madam. No AP on the scene. Sir, non AP at the Padko, you are AP only always. Your name only AP. Okay, na? We had a student by name CA Vikas Anta. You know?
CA Vikas.
Vikas. His initial only CA. After passing CA, he has become Kaka Vikas. CA. Alva, you know. So we'll stop there a little. Continue. So 2 RMRs. Sorry, when calendar information is additionally available, add and deduct RBH, revised budget hours. And they are revised standard hours, revised budget hours.
Budgeted hours.
Budget hours. We get, look at the board, those who are confusion. We get SR into, start a bracket, square bracket. BH minus RBH plus
RBH minus
RBH
AH.
minus AH.
AH into SR.
Yes, sir.
Into SR. Into SR. Into SR. Okay. BH minus RBH plus
RBH
H
minus
RBH
AH
addition. Yeah.
into HR.
Yeah. 2 are marks. Left side. Calendar variance.
Calendar variance.
Is it not very simple?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I know. Calendar spelling CALENDAR. Normally, some people write ER. Left side calendar variance. Right side what?
Other within the bracket, capacity variance.
Capacity variance.
Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You like say, "Ladke aage jeet aata." Ladies first on the concept. How did that ladies first concept came? You know that? Once, it's just a joke. Don't take it seriously. Even if you take seriously, no one can do anything. Only you can be serious. Nobody else in the world can be serious. So, one couple before marriage, they're not couple in the right sense, but two, a boyfriend and girlfriend, okay, of the respective girlfriend and boyfriend. So, the olden days, not now. Today, all those things are not going to work out. Maybe on 20, 30, 50 years back, 30 years back. So, they are from a different religion, caste, whatever it may be. So, parents are opposing. So, they thought, let us go to Nandi Hills and jump off. So, they went to the top and they decided to jump off. Then girl looks down and says, "So it's so deep, I'm scared." So boy says, "Don't worry, let us close the eyes." And we say, 1, 2, 3, jump. So both of them stood and boy said, 1, 2, 3, jump. Boy jumped. Girl didn't jump only. Girl didn't jump only. From that day onwards, ladies first concept. You understand? Okay. How the beauty of the story is, boys are also smart. Okay, like the way girls are smart. Boy, when he's somewhere going down in the deep, what do you call? He sees here and the girl is not there. He sort of immediately switches on his parachute and slowly jumps down and comes back and he says, "Love never dies. Love never dies." Okay. Anyhow, moving on. Yeah. So completely below that, right? This chart you have to rewrite and do it. Very important. Completely below that, right? Points. So this is point number 7, I think. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
7th point only notes. Note A. Note A. Fixed overhead total variance formula. I'm repeating. Doesn't matter. Fixed overhead total variance formula. Same like MCV. Material variance. Small b, red ink. Expenditure variance is a special formula. If expenditure variance is a special formula, semicolon, information normally available in the question. Very good. Small c. Unit based volume variance. Unit based volume variance. Underline unit based. Start with the BQ minus AQ. That you have to remember. Today only you have to by heart this. BQ minus AQ. Semicolon. Then continue with the what? Adding and deducting
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 SQ.
and deducting the SQ.
Adding and deducting SQ, comma, further add and deduct RBQ, further add and deduct what?
RBQ.
Full stop. Next line, same point, next line. Hours based volume variance, HOURS, 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 volume variance. Start with BH minus SH. AH ಅಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ
BH minus AH.
first ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ BQ minus AQ written, am I right?
Yes, sir.
AQ make a circle. Now here is saying BH minus SH circle. SH, comma, then add and deduct AH. Add and deduct AH, comma, continue with the RBH. So easy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. D.
ಇವಾಗ ಆಗಿದ್ದು
Note
ಸಿ
A, B,
ಸರ್.
C, D, whatever.
D.
Yeah, whatever. Under fixed overhead variances, do only those variances which are asked. Do only, Ananta, I'll get back to you a little later. Do only, but
Those variances which are asked.
Asked.
which are asked. Say either capacity or calendar. Full stop and continue. When there is no additional information for capacity variance, be careful, be careful, be careful. When there is no additional information for capacity variance, capacity variance formula supra, capacity variance formula supra means as above, SUPRA, should be replaced by capacity variance formula supra should be replaced for calendar variance. So because there is no question of revising the same, it comes from there only.
Yes, sir.
Calendar variance.
Variance.
Calendar variance. Full stop and continue. Only when capacity and calendar are specifically asked, only for capacity and calendar are specifically asked, go for revised RBQ bar RBH, go for RBQ bar RBH supra. Understood?
Yes, sir.
RBQ bar RBH supra. So if they are not asked for it, don't do it. Don't do it. Either. So if there is no capacity variance and if they ask calendar variance, formula for calendar variance is nothing but capacity variance. Budgeted quantity minus standard. Standard is always for actual days. Actual days. I'll show you the calculation. Understanding, my dear friends?
Yes, sir.
So when the capacity variance and calendar variance specifically given, then you do it. Otherwise, don't do it. Next point. Full stop. Point number ABCD. Yeah?
E.
E. Please note. Any change in the capacity bar calendar bar efficiency leads to change in the
quantity.
very good, excellent. Change in quantity bar output. Hence, all these variances are sub-variances, not subway. खाने के लिए वो मिलता है ना, ಇದು ಜಮಾನನೇ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅವಳೆ ಶರಣ್ಯ. ಸಬ್ವೇ, ಮೆಕ್ಡೊನಾಲ್ಡ್, KFC ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ವೇನೆ?
Yes, sir.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ at home only you have to create all those things. Subway, everywhere there is a way. Where there is a will, there is a way, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆತರ. So read the last sentence.
Please note, any change in capacity or calendar or efficiency leads to change in quantity or output. Hence, all these variances are sub-variances.
Of volume variance. Volume variance. Same. Next, F. Point number F. Please note, very important. Reading. Please note, efficiency variance is a sub-variance of volume variance. Please note, efficiency variance is a sub-variance of volume variance only under fixed overheads. Full stop and continue. In green ink, next line, same point, next line. Under variable overheads and direct labor, చెప్పండి, Dakshita, under variable overhead bar, direct labor, volume variance is equal to efficiency variance. Volume and efficiency are same. Are you agreeing with me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Volume and efficiency, both are same. Volume and illy efficiency is a subvariance. You have to note all the special points. Special points. Yeah, very good, Sandhya. Yeah. Next. Very important. Same point. FG, I think. Yeah. Volume variance. Volume variance. 2 RMRs. Left side. Unit base uses
SQ.
PQ minus AQ. Sudiksha.
AQ.
Eh?
Yes, sir.
PQ minus AQ.
Addition.
AQ.
Right side, hours based
SH.
uses
SH standard hours.
SH.
BH minus SH. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Left side BQ minus AQ. Right side what? BH minus
SH.
SH.
SH. Now AQ greening circle. Left side. Right side SH greening circle.
Same.
Now connect those two dot.
Standard is equal
Connect
to
those two dot. Please note standard hours are always for
actual height.
Actual.
actual output.
Put.
But while writing, don't write actual hours. Actual hours is not same.
Yes.
Standard hours, you have to understand carefully. Standard hours are always for actual,
Output.
Output.
hence, leading to same mathematical answer. Full stop and continue. Different ink. However, the rate to be used, ಇದು careful ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Rate to be used. Dash, right? Unit based standard fixed overhead rate per unit. Common sense. Flow ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. Standard fixed overhead rate per unit. Make a circle for per unit. Semicolon.
Per hour.
Enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hours based. Yo. Kirti. Yo. Yeah. Hours based. That's right. Standard fixed overhead rate per hour. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Let's take one example to understand that they are both are same. Just one basic example only of that. Write down quickly. Actual output 1 lakh units. I'm giving the very basic similar example. 1 lakh units. Standard hours 2 per unit. Actual hours 2,20,000. Budgeted quantity 1 lakh. Standard
Sir.
rate.
Sir,
Budgeted quantity.
I repeat the entire question, Sharanya.
actual output 1 lakh units. Standard hours 2 per unit. Actual hours 2,20,000. Budgeted quantity. I'll cut type.
1,20,000 units. 1,20,000 units. Standard rate per hour. Rupees 100. Therefore, standard rate per unit. How much? Standard rate per hour 100 I said. Therefore, standard rate per unit how much? 2 hours into 100.
200.
Where you think, 1 unit requires how many hours? I said 2 hours now.
2 hours. Yes,
2
sir.
hours.
2 hours into 100 rupees
Yes,
200.
sir. Yes, sir.
Ready?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. There, I think there is some disturbance in the network. Can you just read Sharanya again? 2 questions.
Yes, sir. Actual output 1 lakh units. Standard hours is equal to 2 per unit. Actual hours is equal to 2,20,000. Budgeted quantity is equal to 1,20,000 units. Standard rate per hour is equal to rupees 100. Therefore, standard rate per unit is equal to 2 into 100, which is equal to 200.
2 hours into 100, 200. Understood, Kirti? Yeah. Next, Ganesh, continue. So, 2 RMRs, left side. Sorry, 1 second. Middle of the page, right? Volume variance. I'm talking only volume variance. The discussion is only for volume variance. Volume variance. Under that 2 RMRs, left side, unit based.
Unit based.
Unit based.
Unit based. Formula, Rakshita.
BQ minus AQ into SR per unit.
Excellent. I like it. Excellent. Which is a BQ minus AQ, close the bracket, into greening color SR per unit. Greening color SR per unit. This is where you have to have a clarity. This is not standard costing. This is not cost. This is a common sense. Start a bracket. BQ how much? Budget quantity.
1,20,000.
1,20,000.
1,20,000 units minus what is the actual
1
quantity? 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
In the bracket. 1,20,000 minus 1 lakh. Close the bracket. Into
200.
200.
200. Greening color 200. This is because the concept I'm just going like this. When we solve the question, we'll go one by one later on. 200 into 20,000.
20,000 into 200.
20,000 into 200.
200.
ಎಷ್ಟು?
40 lakh.
40 lakh.
40 lakh or 40
Favorable.
lakh?
40 lakh.
40 lakh.
40 lakh. 40 lakh. How much is the budgeted quantity?
1,20,000.
1,20,000.
Yeah. 40 lakh within the bracket. Surprising for you, all of you. Within the bracket,
Oh.
adverse.
Adverse.
Adverse. Sandhya said adverse. Very good. Adverse. This doesn't go with your maths. I'll tell you later. Adverse. Or write down right now. All of you look at me.
Yes.
Look at me. 100 lakh is the rent. 1 lakh units we budget. What is the rate per unit? 100.
100.
100 lakh by 1 lakh. So instead of 1 lakh units, if I manufacture 2 lakh units, if the output is more, 100 lakh will remain same. Total fixed will remain same, we said. Divided by
Yes,
2
sir.
lakh, it will become 50 rupees per unit.
50.
Higher the output, lower the fixed cost
Fixed.
per unit. That's why whenever output is more, it is favorable. When the output is lesser, it is adverse. I hope you understood.
Yes.
I
sir.
discuss
Yes,
this
sir.
in the next class. Don't worry. So below that you write adverse. Why? Below that you write since actual output is lesser. Since actual output, this is one mistake for most of us. Actual output is lesser,
And budget
comma, fixed overhead absorption rate
is higher.
is higher. Fixed overhead absorption rate is higher. Hence adverse.
Yes.
I think you understood.
Yes,
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 sir.
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 Brilliant. Now come to the right side. Hours based
Hours based.
is equal to Rakshita.
BH minus, budgeted hours minus standard hours into standard rate per hour.
Excellent. Very good. Budgeted hours minus BH minus SH into standard rate
Standard
per
rate
hour.
per hour.
Redding. Standard rate. Red or green. If left side if you use green, right side red. Interchange. Per hour is
Into
equal to budgeted hours how much?
2 into 1 lakh.
Bracket, right? Which is the bracket? I'll tell you. 1,20,000 units into 2 hours. For 1 unit you expect in 2 hours. Tane?
Yes, sir.
Budget
Yes,
by
sir.
budget is equal to standard. 1,20,000 into 2 hours minus
2 lakh 20.
standard hours. 1 lakh units
Two into 1 lakh.
2 hours. 1 lakh units into 2 hours.
Huh.
I repeat, look at me. How did you get standard? Budgeted by budgeted. So actually budgeted hours was 2,40,000. Budgeted quantity is 1,20,000. That's how you got 2 hours. Understanding? So now
Yes, sir.
1,20,000 units into 2 hours is equal to 2,40,000 budgeted hours minus standard hours. What should have been the hours for actual output? 1 lakh units into 2 hours. 2,40,000 minus 2 lakh
2 lakh.
into
100.
100 is equal to, right again, is equal to 40,000 hours, alva?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
40,000 hours into rupees 100. Shockingly,
It should be
40
same,
lakh.
sir. Approaches
only.
and not met. Sir. Yes, sir.
same answer, ah?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Because there are
sir.
different approaches and not
Approaches.
method.
Absolutely. Okay, so tomorrow Ganesh comes with jeans pant t-shirt. Day after tomorrow he comes with the Pancha Chalya. Ganesh is same. It's only an approach difference. Is equal to 40 lakh adverse, favorable.
Adverse.
Adverse.
Adverse. One joke if you want in the incidental. 2 fours how much?
8.
8. 4
Very
toes
good.
also.
Yeah, 2
8.
fours
8.
8.
8.
8.
4 twos are
8.
8.
Oh, what a beautiful maths. Amazing. That's exactly what you did. Look at that left side. 20,000 units into you read 200.
100.
Right side you did 40,000 into 100. So within the bracket double aaytu. Rate half aaytu. I hope you are understanding.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Not same. Anybody says fixed overhead variance is tough now?
No, sir.
That's the
No.
only concept we have done. We'll do the problem. All of you are comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All of you are
sir.
comfortable?
Yes, sir.
Excellent. Last point now. This is related to this cycle. Last point. Point number 8, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Fixed overhead variance is the only variance. Mahati and Kirti. Fixed overhead variance is the only variance. All the 3 terms are used. All the 3 terms are used. Full stop. I'll tell with the help of an example, right? Consider budgeted units 1 lakh, budgeted fixed overhead 100 lakh. Therefore, standard fixed overhead per unit. Standard is always
Actual.
Budgeted
For
by budgeted.
actual.
budgeted by budgeted.
Budget.
Sorry.
Yeah, budgeted by budgeted. Standard fixed overhead per unit is equal to 100 lakh by 1 lakh is equal to rupees 100. Actual output 1,20,000 units. Actual fixed overhead 110 lakh. 110 lakh. Below this, here 3 arrow marks. 3 arrow marks. First one, budgeted fixed overhead is equal to. It is already given. How much?
100 lakh.
100 lakh.
100 lakh.
Second arrow mark. Actual fixed overhead is equal to. Given.
110 lakh.
110 lakh.
110 lakh. And difference between these two is called expenditure variance. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Budgeted money.
Last arrow mark. Standard fixed overhead for
Overhead.
actual output.
Actual
The moment I
output.
say standard, you should say what? Actual.
Actual.
Standard
Actual.
for
Actual.
Actual.
Standard?
120 lakh.
Actual.
Standard for
Actual.
standard.
Actual.
Actual.
Standard fixed overhead for actual output. Very good. Is equal to how many units actual output is?
1
1
1
lakh
lakh 20,000.
1,20,000 units into rupees 100, I think.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1,20,000 units into 100.
100.
How much you get?
120 lakh.
120 lakh.
120 lakh.
120 lakh. 120 lakh. Now, PQR, you write. Now, let me make one more beauty. One more beauty. Ready?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
You write. Middle of the page. Total fixed overhead variance is equal to. Ulta barta idi nanu. R minus Q. 120 lakh minus 110 lakh
100.
is equal to 10 lakh F. Agreed?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes,
2
sir.
RMR. Left side. 2 RMR. Left side. Red ink only. Expenditure variance is equal to P minus Q. Once you do this, two-way variance is done, Baba. P minus Q. How much is the budgeted variance?
100.
100.
100 minus 110. 110, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are right. 10 lakh adverse or favorable?
Adverse.
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 Right side. Therefore, volume variance, without your knowledge, you should tell me.
20.
20 lakh favorable,
Favorable.
adverse?
Favorable.
Favorable.
20 lakh favorable.
Favorable.
Because top only you have 10 lakh favorable, correct?
Yes, sir.
Stand fixed overhead for actual output should have been how much? 120 lakh.
100.
120 lakh.
120 lakh.
But what
120
it
lakh.
is only 110 lakh. 10 lakh favorable. 10 lakh favorable. Next left side we got 10 lakh adverse. Right
Adverse.
side is 20 lakh favorable.
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 So without your knowledge, you had already got 3 variances. I hope you understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
All of you
sir.
enjoyed?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So, beauty of fixed overhead variance is, okay, first point is slightly different, but it is not too complicated the way the people are telling.
Sir, voice is very.
Sir.
It is a jujube one. So, total heading budget minus actual. Questionally, it will be given. Volume variance. You able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
There's some
sir.
network issue. I repeat. Total variance formula same, 2 RMR. Expenditure variance special formula red ink. So budgeted minus actual given in the question. Volume variance, it can be either unit based or it can be hours based. Unit based BQ minus AQ into SR. Hours based BH minus SH
Minus
into
SH.
SR. Per unit you have to consider standard rate per unit if it is a unit base, whereas if it is hours based you have to go by
Per
Yes,
hour.
sir. Per hour.
per hour. That's it. Then everywhere add and deduct. Life will be beautiful. I hope all of you enjoyed.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
God bless you all. Thank you. Bye bye.